Well, hello again, my students. So I thought it'd be a good idea to practice this stuff. So I want you to do these two, freeze the video, and then turn me back on. Okay, well, hello. So divide by -4. We know how to, switch inequality. So x is less than -4. Or means conditional, that one has to be true. Both could be, but only one has to be. So x is greater than 4. So here's less than -4. Now, ors, wherever there's shading, bring it on down. So my final answer is -4, woohoo, and 4. Or 4, I should say. Now, if this would have been an and, the answer is no reals because nothing's in common. Now, this is and because and's the only one that can be put together. So I add 10, add 10. 14 is less than or equal to 2x, which is less than or equal to 30. Divide by 2. So 7 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 15. So I'm just going to go to the answer. It's everything between 7 and 15. Now notice I could use brackets. Okay, try these two now. Freeze the video and then turn me back on. Well, hello. Here we go. Multiply by dose. It's an and. Both have to be true. Oh, they're going in the same direction. So here's greater than 12. Here's greater than 3. Now remember, here, let me switch pens here. No, that pen's okay. Sorry. Remember that and says it has to be true for both. So where's their shading for both? Well, everything greater than 12. So when it's the same direction, and is the shorter one, or is the longer one. If this would have been or, then it'd be bigger than 3. So this one, distribute the 4. 4x minus 16 is greater than 2x. This one I already have. Now, if you want, you could rearrange it. X is greater than 4, or leave it like that. I'm going to do two steps. I'm going to subtract 2x, and I'm going to add 16. So I don't know why. I just feel like doing it this way. Don't have to. Don't have to. So 2x is greater than 16. So x is bigger than 8. So it's an or. See, the mouth is trying to eat the x, so that's bigger than that. So notice, here's bigger than 8. Here's bigger than 4, or greater than, if you want to say it that way. Now, or says wherever there's shading, so the answer is bigger than 4. Now, if this was an and, it'd be bigger than 8, the shorter one. Okay, my friends, try those two. And then turn me back on. Okay, so subtract 8. So -28 is less than or equal to x over 2, which is less than or equal to 12. Then I'm going to multiply everything by dose. So -56 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 24. So it's everything between -56, because and is the only one that can be written that way, and include, because there's segments, meaning equals, and shade in between. Woohoo! I'm a little bit off. Don't ever go over like that. Oops. Okay, here. So let's see. I'm going to multiply everything by 4 to get rid of the fractions. Do I have to? No, I don't. But I just feel like it. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. Let's bring it up a little bit. 1 is greater than or equal to 2x, so x is less than or equal to half because it's pointing to the x. This one I'm going to subtract 4. Negative x is greater than 2. Take the opposite of both sides, so x is less than negative 2. It's or. Here's less than a half. Less than or equal to, excuse me. Here's less than negative 2. Now, or says as long as it's shaded, bring it down. So this is the dominant one. It takes care of the other one. So the answer is less than or equal to a half. Yay! Last one today, kids. Do this one. Okay, subtract 12. Of course, you turned me off, and then you're turning it back on. Thank you very much. Divide by negative 6. So x is greater than or equal to negative 2. This one, subtract 1. Multiply by 3. So x is greater than or equal to negative 3. It's and, has to be true for both. So here's greater than negative 3. Oh, it's got equals to it. Here's greater than negative 2. Notice negative 2 is to the right. Now remember, and when it's the same direction, it's the shorter one. So the answer would be true right here. So, almost off the page. So hopefully you're getting this okay. Of course, we'll do this in class. Hey, plan to have a little quiz. Might want to look over the review sheet for week 2. Of course, this is week 3. Have a good day.